So for our board game, we made an educational version of Candyland that we call Rainforest Land, and it teaches kids about the rainforest. So if you look closely, my pretty little drawings, it's a rainforest. There are tall trees. There's a little toucan, little animals. The first two spaces are engaging kids with prior knowledge. They ask them what they already know about rainforest. And then it gets more in-depth based off of the information found on the QR codes. So how you play is you roll a dice, and based on wherever you land, you move your spaces up that many, you move your little person up that many spaces. So let's say you rolled a 4. In order to answer the question on number 4, which is our instructional activity, you have to watch this QR code. So even if you don't directly land on it, once you pass it, you need to scan it and watch it. And that's kind of how we incorporated learning activities within this game. So in order to win, once you get all the way up the board and answer questions, then you have to get to the top of the tree to win this game.
And then each QR code, so our first QR code, we found a website that just has some basic facts about like rainforests and what they are. So these right here is what the students will already know about rainforests, and then after you land on the QR code, you answer questions such as describing the climate of a rainforest, and that's based on the information they found from this QR code right here. So then once we get up to this QR code, this was a YouTube video. Yes. This is a YouTube video I found online. So one of the questions is, what 4 continents have rainforests located in them? So they can't answer these questions unless they look at the YouTube video found on this QR code. And our last QR code was a website where I found multiple pictures of different rainforest animals, and those all had like small little captions about what the animal was and like what it did in the rainforest. So then these types of questions are like, name one type of reptile that you can find in the Amazon rainforest. And you can't answer that one until you land on this QR code. And then, like she said, once you get to the top, yay, you won.
So to be clear, the game is about the rainforest.
Yes.
The activities we incorporated are questions that they have to answer throughout, and some of the questions are based off of the QR codes that we incorporated. The student will learn about the animals, climate, where the rainforests are at, etc. by playing this game. To answer the last question, we would use this for maybe a 4th or 5th grade social studies lesson about geography or anything else that we could correlate the rainforest into, the history of the rainforest, etc.
It can even be used for like learning about different types of animals, like all over, because you know Amazon has different reptiles, mammals, birds, and the students can learn about those different types of animals that are found in the rainforest.
Thanks for coming to our TED Talk.